All right, everybody. This is kind of a side trip here. We are in Silverbow, Montana, which obviously was part of the big boom for copper. Now it's a big part of the state of Montana interior port for freight shipment. It's also a great place to watch trains. However, I have to say that unfortunately it really isn't. This place was designed to increase economic prosperity of the region and to encourage more business activity. Well, it sort of has. I mean, look at all this. I mean, in the middle of nowhere. Here's the thing. I believe that almost all of these cars are here for storage and not for actual use. But as you can see, we've got multiple of rail lines in here, all feeding through this industrial park. But the only thing that seems to be doing any business right now is the sand and gravel company right up here. Want to document this place for you since it looks really impressive on the map, and there has been there's a number of photos here of Silverbow, but in reality there's really not that much here. They do have this really tiny little park here, which, you know, if you're looking for a rest, that's great. Just don't try to camp or overnight park here. For Danusa at Silverbow Station, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and if you feel like it, please subscribe. This is Danusa, out. Bye.